Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to download CapCut on your MacBook. This tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. Now, if you would go to the App Store and search for CapCut, you will see that there is an option and you can just go ahead and download it. If you will not see this option on your App Store, then it means that you are not eligible for this and you will need to find it in other way. So if you don't see it here on App Store, you want to go ahead to the Safari browser and you want to go to CapCut.com. But before that, if it's not available in your country, you want to go ahead and use a VPN. So for today, I have a good offer for you of NordVPN. It's only $3 a month. You can get a deal and you will also get a 30-day money back guarantee. As you can see, the Black Friday is now and you get up to 74% off plus free extra months. So make sure to use a NordVPN. After you will turn it on, you should see a CapCut.com download option here. So once you will click download, we'll basically download it to your MacBook, and all you will have to do is open it up and install it. Now, after that, all you have to do is click 2 times and install it, and after that you will be able to use it just like so. And if this video was helpful, guys, make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video.